Hearty welcome to all knowledge seekers to my channel. This is Dr. Madhusudan Rao Kadapa. In this video, I am going to solve a set of problems on number series, and the problems are selected from previous UPSC, RRB, SSC, MAT, BSRB, and other competitive examinations. Here in this first problem, if we observe 6, 11, 21, 36, 56, then blank. In this series, the successive difference between the terms is 6 and 11 differ by 5, 11 and 21 differ by 10, 21, 36 differ by 15, 36 and 56 differ by 20. So the next difference should be 25. So 56 plus 25, it is 81. So the answer is C. Next, the second problem is 10, 100, 200, 310. Here the difference between 10 and 100 is 90, 100 and 200 is 100, 200 and 310 is 110. So the next difference should be 120. So 310 plus 120, it is 430. So the answer is D. And in the next problem we have 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 29. Here if you observe the pair of numbers, that is 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 23 and 25 differ by 2, whereas in between it is 13 and 17 4, 19 and 23 the difference is 4, 25 and 29 the difference is 4. So the next difference should be 2. So 29 plus 2, it is 31. So the answer is C. And next problem 6, 12, 21, 33 blank. Here if you observe the difference is 6 and 12 differ by 6, 12 and 21 differ by 9, 21 and 33 differ by 12. So the next number should differ by 15. So 33 plus 15, it is 48. So the answer is D. And in the next problem we have 2, 5, 9, 14 blank and 27. Here we have the difference between the successive terms like this. So the difference between 2 and 5 is 3, 5 and 9 differ by 4, 9 and 14 differ by 5. So the next difference should be 6. 14 plus 6, it is 20, 20 plus 7, 27. In the next set of problems we have 10, 18, 28, 40, 54 blank and 88. Here the difference between 10 and 18 is 8, 18 and 28 differ by 10, then the difference is 12 and then 14. So the next difference should be 16. So 54 plus 16, it is 70, and the next term will be 70 plus 18, 88. So the answer is A. Next 120, 99 blank, 63, 48, 35. Here in this problem if you observe the difference between first two terms is 21. So here the next difference, to find the next difference, here let us check the other numbers. 63 and 48 differ by 15, and 48 and 35 differ by 13. So here the difference between 63 and its preceding number should be 17. So 63 plus 17, it is 80. Then 80 plus 19, 99, 99 plus 21, 120. So the answer is 80, which is A. And the next problem 22, 24, 28, 36 blank and 84. So here we have the difference as 2, 4, 8. So the difference is getting doubled. So the next difference should be 16. So 36 plus 16, it is 52. 52 plus 32, it is 84. And in the next problem we have 4,832, 5,840, 6,848 like this. So here the thousands place is increasing by 1. So 4, 5, 6. So the next should be 7. That is 7,000 something. And this is 8. But here in all the answers we find 7 as common. Then coming to the second digit, that is hundreds place, which is also same 8 8 8 everywhere. Then we have to check the units and tenth place, that is here we have 32 40 48. Then the difference between the successive terms is 8, so 48 plus 8 it is 56. So the successive numbers differ by 1008, so 6848 plus 1008 it is 7856. So the answer is B. And the next problem is, this is a typical model. Here we have 180 120 80 40 45 blank 15. See here, if you observe in the pair of the first three numbers, we have 80 is the average of 120 and 40. So 120 plus 40 by 2, it is 80. Then this number in between 45 and 15 should also be the average of the two. So 45 plus 15 by 2, it is 30. So the answer is D. And next problem, we have 2, 15, 41, 80 and 132. Here the successive difference between these numbers is 13, 26, 39, then 52. So the next difference should be 65, which is 30 in the table. So 132 plus 65, which is 197. So the answer is D. In the next problem we have 6, 17, 39 blank and 116. So here we have the differences as 11, 22, then the next difference should be 33. So 39 plus 33, it is 72. Then 72 plus 44, it is 116. So the answer is 72, which is A. And the next problem is 1, 4, 10, 22 blank 94. Here if you observe the the differences are like 1 and 4 differ by 3, 4 and 10 by 6, so 10 and 22 differ by 12. So the difference is getting doubled. So the next difference should be 24. So 22 plus 24, it is 46. 46 plus the next difference is 48. So 46 plus 48, it is 94. So answer is 46, A. 28, 33, then 31, 36, 34 blank. Here if you observe, the difference is not either in ascending or descending order, but here it is cyclically changing. 28 and 33 differ by plus 5, 33 and 31 differ by minus 2, then again plus 5, again minus 2. So the next number should be plus 5, 34 plus 5, 39. So the answer is B. And the next problem, 4, 9, 25, 49 blank 169, 289, 361. Here if you observe, all these numbers are perfect squares. So 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, then blank 13 square, 17 square and 19 square. So these are all squares of prime numbers, perfect squares of prime numbers. So here this is 7 square, means next should be 11 square, which is 121. So the answer is B. And moving on to the next problem, we have 4, 12, 36 blank 324. Here 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36. So the next number should be 36 into 3, which is 108. 108 into 3, 324. So the answer is 108, which is C. And in the next problem here, if you observe 1, 1, 4, 8, 3 and 9 blank 16, 64. Here it is 1 and 1. These are 1 square and 1 cube. This is 2 square and 2 cube. Then 9 is 3 square. So this should be 3 cube, which is 27. This is 4 square and 64 is 4 cube. So the answer is 27, A. In the next problem, we have 5760, 960, 192. Here the first number is divided by 6. So 5760 divided by 6 is 960. 960 divided by 5 is 192. So the next number should be 192 divided by 4, which is 48. Now 48 divided by 3 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this is how this series is formed. And the next problem is 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66, blank 201. Here we have a logic. Here 1 and 2 differ by 1, 6 and 7 differ by 1, 21 and 20 differ by 1, 66 and next number should also differ by 1. So the number should be 67. And at the same time, it should follow some logic. Here 2 into 3 is 6, 7 into 3 is 21, 22 into 3 is 66. So the next number is 67 into 3, 201. So the answer is 67, which is C. 48 to 24, 96, blank 192. Here 48 divided by so here 48, 24, 96, right? So in this particular problem, 48 is divided by 2, which is 24. 24 multiplied by 4 is 96. Then again 96 divided by 2, 48. 48 multiplied by 4 is 192. So the answer is 48. And in the next set of problems, we have 165, 195, 255, 285, blank 375. Here the difference is 30, 60, then again 30, then next difference should be 60, then 30. So 285 plus 60, it is 345, plus 30, 375. And moving on to the next problem, we have 2, 3, 3, 5, 10, 13, 39, blank 172, 177. Here it also follows some logic like this. 2 and 3 differ by 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 and 5 differ by 2, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 and 13 differ by 3, 3 into 13 is 39. So 39 and the next number should differ by 4, so 39 plus 4 it is 43, 43 into 4 is 172, 172 and 177 differ by 5. So the required number is 39 plus 4, which is 43. C. Next 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, blank 511. So here if you observe these numbers, which are all 1 less than the cubes. So 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 1, 7, 3 cube is 27, minus 1 is 26, 4 cube is 64, minus 1 is 63, and this is 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube minus 1, and this should be 7 cube minus 1. So 7 cube is 343 minus 1, which is 342. So the answer is A. And the next problem is 3, 7, 15, 31, blank 127. Here the differences are 3 and 7 differ by 4, 7 and 15 differ by 8, 15 and 31 differ by 16. So the next difference should be 32. 31 plus 32, it is 63. And next difference should be 32 into 2, that is 64. So 63 plus 64, it is 127. So the answer is 63. Next 8, 28, 116, 514. So this is a typical series. So this is 8 and 28. Here 28 is 8 into 3 plus 4, 28. 28 into 4 plus 4 is 116. 116 into 4, 580 plus 4, 584. So the next number should be 584 into 6 plus 4, which is 3504 plus 4, 3508, which is D. So this is how we can solve the problems in a very less time, understanding this logic. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel.